Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you? I'm your health guy, and today I'm going to talk to you about Nystatin, an important medicine to fight fungus. Nystatin is used to treat fungal infections in various parts of the body, like the mouth, throat, intestines, and skin. A very common example is oral thrush, a fungal infection that appears inside the mouth. And how does Nystatin work? Well, this medicine works by damaging the wall of the fungus, which kills it and helps control the infection. It's an effective treatment, but you have to use it carefully. Nystatin comes in different forms: pills, creams, and liquids to take. The dose your doctor prescribes may vary, so always follow their instructions exactly. For infections in the mouth, they will normally ask you to keep the medicine in your mouth for as long as possible before swallowing. Like any medication, Nystatin can have some side effects. The most common are nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If you notice any allergic reaction, such as a rash or difficulty breathing, seek medical help immediately. To sum up, Nystatin is a useful tool against fungal infections, but it must be used responsibly and under medical supervision. If you have any doubts or questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.